Now you don't need to spend hours in video editing, guys. In just minutes, your video will be ready. So let's start the video. So firstly, we'll have to come to this website, WiseCut.video. Here, click on create new project, add your media, choose the file. So just I uploaded the file, click upload, and file is getting uploaded. So we'll have to wait. The file got uploaded 100%. Then click next. Give the project name a spoken language in the video. You'll have to choose and click create project. Click project list, and we'll have to wait for few minutes. And the video got edited. Just click on that video. Just preview and export. Export it totally free of cost. It will be downloaded automatically. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.